आलू पालक पकौड़ा।
One bunch of chopped palak spinach. 2 potatoes cut into fries shape. 1 chopped green chili, few chopped curry leaves, and 1 tsp of chopped onion. Half tsp of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Half tsp of red chili powder. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of cumin zira. 2 pinches of baking soda. 2 tsps of besen gram flour. 2 tsps of rice flour. Transfer chopped palak in a mixing bowl. Add potato sticks. Add chopped onion. Add chopped curry leaves. Add chopped green chili. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric powder. Add salt. Add red chili powder and baking soda. Add zira. Add besan. Add rice flour. Mix all ingredients well. Gradually add water and prepare batter. Pakra batter is perfect in consistency. Heat oil and fry pakras. Fry them on medium to high flame. Flip on other side and fry. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Pakras are fried well. Remove them. Pakras are done. Crispy and tasty aloo palak pakras are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.